grade junior KG Christmas activity. So we are doing our activity. Get ready with your requirements. What we will need? Friday activity. Ice cream stick, Santa. Just see how we will make this Santa. Can you see everybody? With ice cream stick, we will make this Santa Claus today. We will need, yeah, cotton balls, cotton balls, ice cream stick, ice cream stick, craft paper, especially we need red, white and black, thread, Fevicol, okay, all these things we need. Christmas is sharing, celebrating, giving, caring, love, believing. Have a wonderful weekend. Merry Christmas. So get everybody take out white paper like this and draw a triangle. Everybody draw triangle. Cut this paper in square. Cut it in the square. Like this. Cut the paper in square like this. Okay. Yeah, everybody cut it. Cut like this paper. Then you have to make triangle. Like this. Make that. It will be easy for you. You can make triangle like this. And cut it. Everybody can see now. You have to cut angle like this. Okay, cut it like this. Then paste one ice cream stick here. Other one here like this. You have to make triangle. Take Fevicol. First paste here. Set Fevicol here. And paste one here. You can draw its scale also. You are small kids now. To make triangle like this. Okay. Then cut it like this. Everybody can see now. Cut triangle like this. We have to cut triangle with red paper. Okay. And now you will paste red triangle here, like this. And you can paste like this. Got it, everybody? Okay. Spread little bit more Fevicol, like this. You have to paste red color cap of sun. Okay. Now take, you can use black color also, or you have got black paper. Paste it properly. It is coming out. Put more Fevicol. Okay. Now you have to make two eyes. You can cut two eyes like this in round shape. If you don't have black paper, you can use crayons also here, or you can use any black color. Okay, as you wish. You have got everything. You can use. We can make two eyes here. If you have got paper, you can cut it. Otherwise, you can do with colors also, like this. Here, red color, nose. Okay, everybody. Now we will put one cotton. Got it this? Everybody can see? Now. Now take cotton balls, round, like this. You have to put cotton balls here. Spread little bit of Fevicol here. Put cotton balls. 5 cotton balls will come here. Everybody can see? Please see, and everybody can see now? There we are making. Just see. My Santa is ready. One ball here also, down. Everybody, then if you have got thread, you can use thread also. I am using this molly. Just see, like this. If you have thread, you can fold like this. Fold like this. Make a thick one like this. Okay, then fold like this and stick here. So my Santa is ready. My Santa is ready. Let's see. Oh, Mama, good Santa you have made. Okay, Drashya, where is your Santa? Show us. Okay, you are making. Very good. Good children. They are taking interest. Very good. Oh, Prince का भी ready हो गया Santa. Very good, Prince. Very good. Mine Aradhya? Never mind.
Do
Do
later.
afterwards.
Okay.
Okay, never mind. Praneeth is finished. Nice. He is doing. Terence is also doing. Terence, help. Come on, do. Don't say afterwards, okay? Never mind. Complete it afterwards. And show me on Monday. Okay? Show me on Monday. You have made. Keep the record with you.
Yeah.
Dhruvita is doing. Very good. Yes.
See, mine also I have done.
Okay,
Yes.
see mine also, Renu ma'am. My Santa also. Good. Jingle bell,
Yes.
jingle bell. And Santa
Jingle
Claus is
bell,
coming.
jingle
Jingle
bell,
bell,
jingle all the
jingle all the
way.
way.
Santa
Santa Claus is
Claus is
coming
coming
along,
along,
riding down
riding
this.
down this way. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Santa Claus is coming along, riding down this way.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one open sleigh. Hey, jingle bell, all the way. Santa Claus is coming along, riding down this way. Hey, oh,
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Santa Claus coming along, riding
Riding
yeah,
down this way.
yeah. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Santa Claus coming along, riding yeah. Done. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Santa Claus is coming along, riding down this way. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Jingle bell, on the way. Who's in the coming road? Riding on the way. Jingle bell, on the way. Who's in the coming on? Riding down this way.
wait. Ma'am will say that.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Santa Claus coming around, riding down the way. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Santa Claus coming around, riding down the way. Thank you.
Yes, yeah, we are singing.
Jingle bell,
Jingle bell, jingle all the way.
all the way. Santa Claus is
Santa Claus is
along,
coming along,
riding down this way.
riding down this way.
Hey,
Hey, jingle bell, jingle
all
all the
the
way.
way. Santa Claus is coming
Oh,
along, riding down this way. Oh,
oh,
what
what
fun!
Oh, what
Oh,
fun
what fun
it is to ride
to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way.
jingle all
Santa
the
Claus is
way.
coming along,
Claus is
riding
coming
down this
along,
way.
riding down this way. Hey,
Hey, jingle bell,
oh,
jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, Santa's coming. Yes, Santa's coming to give gifts. Yes,
yes, yes.
yes.
It will
Santa will give
it will come
gifts
on
to
25th
all.